Once upon a time, in a bustling town, there lived a young artist named Sara. She was incredibly talented, but struggled with managing her time. Her days were filled with tasks, and she often felt overwhelmed, unable to focus on her art. One day, Sara met an old watchmaker, Mr. Time, who noticed her distress. "Why so rushed, young one?" he asked. Sara explained, and Mr. Time, with a twinkle in his eye, handed her a watch. "This is no ordinary watch," he said. "It doesn't just tell the time, it teaches you to manage it." Sara was puzzled but wore the watch. The next morning, as she started her day, the watch beeped. It was a reminder to prioritize her tasks. She followed the watch's prompt, doing the most important tasks first and setting aside distractions. To her surprise, she found extra time to paint. Days turned into weeks, and Sara learned to respect time, using it wisely. Instead of fighting against it, she realized that the time management wasn't about rushing through tasks, but about prioritizing what truly mattered. In the end, Sara became a renowned artist, not just because of her talent, but also because she learned the art of time management from a watch that didn't just tick, but taught. So the moral of the story is that time is a teacher, and if we listen closely, it can help us focus on what's important, leading to the life well lived and dreams fulfilled. So, whenever you get distracted, don't worry, just manage your time. This is Don't Worry Motivations Stories. Don't forget to subscribe.